Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw the new baby Mr. Peanut. So to begin with this, we're going to start at the top of his head, and I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a little curved line like this. Then, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve in, and then it's going to go out like this, and it's going to curve down to here. I'm going to make this line a little bit longer. And then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to kind of curve down and in, and then I'm going to curve out, and then I just want to connect it right to here. Now, starting right here, I want to make his eyes, and he's got really big eyes. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve up and then down to here. And then I'm going to kind of curve this up a little bit and then back down. Then same thing here, I'm going to draw a big curved line like this for the eye. And then I'm going to kind of curve up and then back down like this. Then I'm going to make a really big circle inside each eye. And then I'm going to add a small oval in here. And then I'm just going to color this in just to make the pupil. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a little line that goes down and over for his nose. And then for his mouth, I'm going to make a little line that goes straight across. And then I'm just going to curve it down and up like a smiley face, and then just color it in. Then at the top of the eye, I'm going to make a little line that goes out and comes back for kind of like an eyelash. And then same thing over here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve around like this for the hat. Nice, long, skinny oval shape. And then I'm just going to make another one that goes right around here for the top of the hat. Then, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up nice and tall. It's going to curve over and then go back down here. Then I'm going to make a little curved line for the top of the hat. Now for the hands. So starting right here, I'm just going to make two little lines that just go up. I'm going to add a little bit of like a curved line like this. Make a little line that goes up and down for the thumb. And then I'm just going to make some of these little long finger shapes. Put 4 of them on here and then just connect them to the hand. Then you can draw a little line across here. Then over here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes out and then up a little bit. Another one right underneath it. Little curved line like this. And then a little line that goes up and down for the thumb. And then just like how we did over here, just draw a line that goes up and down for the fingers and just put 4 of them on here and connect them right back to the hand. And then just draw a little line. Now for the feet, I'm just going to draw 2 little lines that are just going down. And then I'm going to make a nice tall oval shape on them. So it's kind of like we're looking at the bottom of the foot. And then I'm going to add a little line here. Then same thing here, 2 lines going out. And then this time I'm going to make 2 more lines going out for like the side of the foot. And then just a nice tall oval shape like this. And there you go. There is your drawing of the baby Mr. Peanut. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.